Well, hello there, dear viewer. If you've ever wondered what happens when you get sucked into a black hole, stick around, because we're about to find out. Now tell me, what do you get when you cross a cosmic vacuum cleaner with a bottomless pit? That's right, a black hole. All right, I'll stick to science and leave the comedy to, well, the comedians, I guess. Black holes are like the universe's ultimate trash compactors. They're formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point in space with such a strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape. Essentially, black holes are the ultimate party poopers, sucking up all the fun and light around them. How do these cosmic vacuum cleaners work? Well, imagine you're trying to escape from a black hole's gravitational pull. You'd have to travel faster than the speed of light. But there's a catch. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than light. So once you're in a black hole's grasp, there's no escaping its cosmic clutches. Talk about a clingy relationship, eh? Now, here's a question for you, my dear viewer. What happens at the very center of a black hole? The truth is, nobody knows for sure. Some scientists think that black holes could be gateways to other universes, while others believe they might lead to a complete breakdown of the laws of physics. So, what do you think would happen? Let us know in the comments below. Black holes may be the universe's most mysterious objects, but they're also full of surprises. Did you know that there's a supermassive black hole at the center of our very own Milky Way galaxy? It's called Sagittarius A. It's about 4 million times more massive than our Sun. But don't worry, it's about 26,000 light years away, so we're safe. Well, for now. As we approach a black hole, we'll encounter a point of no return called the event horizon. This is the boundary where the black hole's gravitational pull becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's like the universe's most exclusive club, and once you're in, there's no getting out. This is where things get really weird. You see, as you get closer to the event horizon, the very time itself starts to slow down. That's right, black holes are not only cosmic vacuum cleaners, but they're also time-warping machines. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. So, if you were to watch someone fall into a black hole from a safe distance, you'd see them slow down and eventually freeze in time at the event horizon. A bit spooky, isn't it? Now, let's say you were to fall into a black hole feet first. You'd experience something called spaghettification. That's right, you'd be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti due to the extreme difference in gravity between your head and your feet. Talk about a real cosmic stretch there, eh? But wait, there's more. As you get even closer to the black hole, the tidal forces become so strong that they can rip apart entire stars and planets. In fact, some black holes are known to devour stars in a process called stellar tidal disruption. When this happens, the black hole's immense gravity pulls the star's material into a swirling disk around it, heating it up and causing it to emit intense radiation. It's like a cosmic light show, but with a deadly twist. If you ever find yourself in the unfortunate position to be near a black hole, remember, it's a fascinating and mysterious place, but it's also one of the most dangerous spots in the universe. Keep your distance and enjoy the view from afar. Well, folks, that's all we have time for today. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration through the unknown world of black holes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. And don't forget to leave your thoughts on the big question in the comments. Until next time, keep your feet on the ground and your head in the stars.